So good morning everyone. So this could be another vlog for my channel, and this will be a travel vlog for an adventure ride, motorcycle, jogging, swimming in falls, visiting towns here in Laguna and Quezon. So this could be a very good vlog, and I'm excited for it to share with you guys for what will happen gonna be this day. So I will be with my friend and also my brother. See you guys. Let's go. So ready na ngayon lahat ng gamit namin at yun, settled up na yung motor. I just need to refresh myself. Medyo kailangan natin magpalit ng amoy. So yeah, after this, mag-ride out na kami at hindi na namin yung another namin kasama, si Milan, si Carl David Plan. So yeah, excited to start the day. Let's go, we're done and ready na. Kier, tingin ka. Kami.
Good morning, good morning.
Let's go. So, kompleto na kami. Ready na kami to ride out. Back. So guys, tayo na kami ngayon just sa breakfast. Ulan, yeah. So simple breakfast lang for our jog. Kain muna. Let's go. So good day everyone. So katapos lang namin for the jog. It's kinda hell of a job. And yeah, 5 km tapos agad. That's the main goal of this day, and achieve and productive on time and kinda hell of solid all of structured lahat. So yeah, kita-kits right now. We're going to the falls and we'll see. I will show you guys and biyahe lang kami saglit ulit. Let's go. We're at Bumbungan Falls. Yes, as you can see, napaka-nature talaga. Grabe. Oh, simple lang pero solid na. Solid na to stay and swim. Just a very relaxing after jogging. So it's gonna be a very great after jog relaxing moment. So dito kami tatambay ngayon. So see you guys. I will create a vlog after this and we'll do this. So good day everyone. Katapos lang ng aming swimming after jog. So ngayon proceed kami for our
brunch. And yeah, sulit dito sa Bumbungan Falls. If you guys like it, invite ko kayo pumunta dito. 50 lang yung entrance and it's very good and something cozy and chill lang dito. So rate ko to ng 8/10. Let's go, kain muna kami. So everyone, ito na, kakain na kami right now regarding for our food. Ayan, chokes to go. Kanan from 7-Eleven. Tapos tubig lang, solid na for workout. Mga health ano kami, conscious persons. So protein first. Let's go. All the food. Ang sabi nyo guys? Let's go. Solid. Kain na na. Bye. See you. Alas na kami. Punta kami tayo. Okay, kita mo yan. Lalakad na si Bilan. Ito po, okay naman po siya. So guys, kung pupunta ka ngayon, na napakarami na talagang tao ngayon. Grabe. Grabe, dami tao pre. So what's up everyone? Nandito ako ngayon. Wait. One, two, three, picture to. Wait lang. Binibidyo ko kayo. Naka-video to. Yes, yes. Yes. Sa Taytay Falls at grabe, solid 10/10, quality nature, marami lang talaga tao but still solid. Siguraduhin manda kayo sa lamig kung pumunta kayo dito dahil grabe talaga, iba talaga yung lamig dito guys, iba talaga. So ngayon pupunta na kami ngayon sa Lukban, Bayan, Quezon. So we can enjoy the food and also the vibe doon sa bayan. So see you guys. Solid ah. Salitan kami, pares kami nararamdaman.
Kupal goals.
So guys, nandito muna ako sa simbahan ng Lukban, Quezon. Nandito na kami. Dahil malapit lamang naman to sa Maayhay or Taytay Falls. So we decided to go in this
church and also this town para mag-enjoy and also kumain. So, pray muna for a second. Let's go. Pray.